Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the breaking news. For some reason, I just checked on the Tesla website and it shows that all Tesla Model 3 will now qualify for the 7,500 federal tax credit. Surprisingly, yesterday I checked and it didn't. For some reason today, it does. So, as you can see right here, if one might ask, how did I get to this page? So this is a Tesla inventory. So basically, these vehicles are already made and they're sitting on a lot and they're waiting for a buyer. So they give out huge discounts for this one. See, as you can see, the regular Model 3 regular price is $40,240. Okay, and right now they're knocking about $2,400 off. So you ended up with this one $37,830, which is an awesome deal for a brand new vehicle, especially in EVs too. And as you can see, they have it in many locations: San Diego, Los Angeles, Palm Springs, and the list go on and on and on. So I don't know if Tesla is trying to clear out the old Model 3 before they can bring in the new one, the Project Highland. I don't know, but the saving, it's just awesome for the viewers and for the people that are currently looking for a vehicle. Not only that, but right now with the federal tax credit increase going back to normal where it used to be like $7,500 back in January, it makes everybody happy, right? So, you can see it right here, right? But I'm going to demonstrate to you, since I live in Los Angeles area, I'm going to just try to click on this one right here and take you to the actual page so you can see it. So here, everything's the same, just a new vehicle. They tell you what the vehicle, the range of the vehicle, the top speed, and 0 to 60. We know all that stuff already. Everything here we do know. The only thing that you can add, enhanced autopilot, full self-driving, whichever you prefer. All right. So coming down over here, the warranty itself, we already know that. The delivery right now, it just shows Burbank. But what we want to see is the next one after we clicked payments. Okay. Here is the critical part right here. Before, it only shows 3,700, right? But now look at this, 7,500 federal tax credit. So you do the calculations. What, 37,000 minus 7,500? You come down to about 30,000. Minus another $2,000 on EVs from the state of California. Knock this out to about $28,000. Beautiful, beautiful car, guys. So if any of you guys in there that are, looking for a car, an EV, I don't think there's any better day to buy the vehicle, right? Especially if these vehicles are sitting on the inventory. For me, it only took me 2 days from the day that I hit the order with my card, and 2 days later, I have my car, all right? So, once again, this is breaking news. If you're in the market for Tesla, take advantage of it, because you don't know when Elon or the IRS will take it away. They might give $3,700 back, or they might not. Who knows, right? But for the time being, take advantage of it. All right? So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you love the channel, please subscribe for more future content. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.